Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.
I've been working on this for almost 10 years. My name is Melissa Rice. I'm an associate professor of planetary science at Western Washington University. Specifically, I work with the Mastcam-Z team. Mastcam-Z are the two cameras at the top of the rover's mast. They're the eyes, the scientific eyes of the rover. Once it lands, as part of the Mastcam-Z team, I'll be helping to operate the cameras, to take photographs of the landscape, to decide which specific rocks to zoom in on. And then I'll be helping to analyze the imaging data to see what it can tell us about the geologic history of the landing site, whether there was water flowing here at one point in the past, how these rocks formed, and what minerals might be present. All of this work over almost 10 years.
Here, take a look at the first image.
It's that first image of a wheel touching the surface of Mars. That's when I'll know that things are real. Using the two cameras, which are a stereo pair, to create a three-dimensional image of the terrain. So we're going to be assessing the hazards for driving with these images, but then we'll also have science questions to answer about which rocks might be the most interesting for us to drive up to, reach out with the rover's arm and collect a sample of to eventually bring back to Earth. Look for teeny tiny micro nano fossils inside the rocks in order to answer that big question about, is there evidence for life here? And with Mars, we're talking about life that might have been swimming around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. So we need to be thinking about which types of rocks are going to preserve that evidence of ancient life. The most profound question that humans can ask: are we alone in the universe? And if we find life on Mars, which is our neighbor planet right next door, then that opens up the possibility that life is abundant in the universe. If it's right next door and we have billions and billions of planets out there, there must be more civilizations in the universe than we can comprehend.